So what I have here is a bunch of leftover chicken scrap from all my past videos. Save your chicken scraps, people. And Thanksgiving is coming up, right? So I'm gonna just show you guys how to make a really nice stock for this gravy. I'm basically doing what I would do for a ramen stock, a chicken tonkatsu basically. Okay, so here's my take on this. It's Thanksgiving, right? You want to make your gravy. You only have one turkey because who buys more than one, right? You're not going to make your gravy with the bones from that turkey because you need to make the turkey first. And I know, yes, it comes with the neck and everything, but if you want to make a really nice gravy, you're going to need a nice stock. So just go ahead and do what I do. Use chicken bones. Chicken bones in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it ramen style, like a tonkatsu. I'm going to break the bones down so it becomes a nice milky broth. So yes, technically we're making ramen gravy. As you can see, it's become very cloudy and milky. So this has been going for like 3 or 4 hours. The bones have broken down quite a bit, so I'm gonna be able to just blend them and speed up this process. I'm gonna just blend it and then we'll go from there. So now you see after blending, become like very milky looking, not translucent at all. This is gonna go back on the heat for like 2 more hours. Before we begin the video, I just want to say thank you Simply Safe for sponsoring today's video. This giant thing is a tomahawk wagyu. Then this is Shiga omi beef. Tons more omi beef, lots of wagyu. Do the math, this is a lot of money. Which brings us to today's sponsor. I need to protect my wagyu. Simply Safe is a reliable home security system that will make sure that your home is safe. You just order it online or over the phone and it's delivered to your home and you can just set it up within an hour. You just stick the sensors exactly where you need them to be. And then from there, your home is professionally monitored 24/7. If anything happens, they'll make sure that the police is called. They've got sensors to cover every window, room, door, steak fridge, you name it. And plenty of other cool stuff like water sensors and smoke detectors, etc. They also have temperature sensors and HD cameras. It's all really simple to use and you get around-the-clock protection for just 50 cents a day. Now the most amazing thing about this is how easy it is to set it up. Now like I said, I've got all this wagyu, I've got all this expensive kitchen equipment. I just gotta make sure it's all locked up and safe. So that's the reason why I use Simply Safe. Go to simplysafe.com/Matt. That's all in the description down below just to learn more. Next day, as you can see, it's reduced quite a bit, right? You're gonna wanna strain it really well because as you can see, there's all this sediment left over from the bones. And now what I have here is this super intense, creamy chicken broth. Look at that. This broth right here will make the perfect bowl of ramen. Oh my God, that's freaking delicious. Go ahead and use the tare recipe from my ramen video. Link will be down below. So, we've got the perfect bowl of ramen, right? We're gonna make the perfect Thanksgiving gravy with this. So I'm thinking it would be great just to take this technique in making this beautiful ramen broth, turning this into a gravy perfect for your turkey dinner. Now just a tablespoon of this stuff will take you a long way. Cornstarch, very simple. If you guys aren't gluten-free, I recommend you make a roux. It's delicious. Best way to go. Tablespoon cornstarch, 1/4 cup water, cold. Now watch closely, this is gonna happen really fast. We're gonna bring this up to a simmer, then toss in our mix, whisk in, keep going, bring it to a simmer again, and then it should thicken up. Gorgeous gravy right there. So once the gravy's thickened up, just go ahead and add pepper, salt to taste, and you could do some herbs, add rosemary and thyme. Do it to your liking, you know, and also I'll have all the directions and the ingredients down below for you guys that want to check it out. Okay. This is as poultry as it gets. This is super intense, by the way, so the flavor, it's perfect. This is gonna be great on turkey. And you know, if you have the extra turkey bones, go ahead and try this out with turkey bones. That should be delicious too. I might also want to add some cream to this too, if I want. But yeah, you can go ahead and store this in the fridge, chill it off completely, and then just heat it up the night of your dinner. This is what it looks like with cream added in. As you can see, it looks creamier, obviously. Let me know what y'all think about this gravy. I gotta do the dishes again.